So let's say you've got your team together and you're working on something big, something significant. There's going to be a lot of Google Docs involved, a lot of collaboration, comments, resources, that kind of thing. Maybe it's the type of thing where a folder in Google Drive just isn't going to be enough. If that's the case, you can use what's called a shared drive. This used to be the old team drives in Google Drive. It's been renamed shared drives. But if you look on the left-hand side of your Google Drive menu, you should see all of these things over here: priority, my drive, shared drives. That's what we're going to be looking at. Shared with me, recent, starred, trash, etc. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to click on shared drives. So this is now an entire drive shared between me and whoever I share it with. One of the things you have to understand about shared drives is that file sharing and ownership takes on different meaning. In a shared drive, everybody that's in on the drive owns the files. Maybe that's what you want, maybe it isn't. If it's not what you want, maybe you just go with a shared folder, who knows? One other thing I've found out over the years is that file sharing in shared drives with people not in the drive can get very tricky. It does not behave the way you would probably want it to. It's not quite as easy as just sharing it with people if they are not in on the shared drive. So I have 3 shared drives set up. I think everybody's got a sample team drive. Maybe not. But if you want to add a new shared drive, click on shared drives, highlight it, and then when you click on the new button, you get the opportunity to create a new shared drive and name it. And then you can share that drive with whoever you want, work on a big project. The only thing really to watch out for here is file sharing and ownership. It is different in shared drives, but once you get the hang of that and you understand what you can and cannot do with people not in on the drive, then it's a little bit easier to navigate when a shared drive is going to be appropriate. And that is how you set up shared drives.